What's up? I'm here to blast your ears. How's it going, Stan? I was literally thinking about you, alright? I don't even know why. It just popped in my mind. I was like, why do I have the feeling that I have a meme that isn't going through my mind, but is going to my mind? I just had two words. Polish rock. And it made me laugh. And I thought about it for like a good 5 minutes. I know, we probably had something at some point. Talking about a fucking rock, okay? But my schizophrenic mind was like... Stan? Maybe, I don't fucking know. Rock or maybe like ground gravel? I don't know. One or the other. My brain's just fucking broken. Alright. So today, I mean, you played some of my favorite music on stream. That might be why, that might be why. We played some Satan Spawn, and I was in. Alright. Today, there's a couple of things that I want to do. It was Polish death metal. Oh, okay. Band called Decapitated. Alright. That's quite the name, that's quite the name. Today, we're going to do a few things, okay? So, yesterday, we went DB design, and of course, I was absolutely scolded, destroyed, called out as a brainlet retard. No, I'm joking, okay? No, MB infused me, abused me with his knowledge. And I'm all in for it, okay? I consent. Alright. But today, let's not do that, okay? Clearly, whenever it's late, we don't have the mind for this shit. So instead of destroying ourselves, let's do things that we agree. So, the first thing that we agree, and that we know we will need, will be to be able to know the position for the name of a thing, right? Because if we have a struct, we need to highlight the name of the struct, and we also need to store the code of said struct. Let's fucking do it! So let's do these two things, but I want to do one more thing before. I want to put everything into a separate file, okay? All of that AST bullshit, we should have a folder, directory called parser, and have all of these things inside of it. Because why the fuck do we have that in our main, right? It's not interesting, it's not something that we need to care about. We only interact with this shit with like one command. So let's put it behind us. And just put it into another file. Separate files? Oh shit, we're going professional. Drew! We've got more than one file, what the fuck? What's this shit? I went like way too deep today looking at some documentation, and I was like, I'm such a retard. Why am I thinking about any of this? All the followers are now really happy. Because everyone wanted more files? Well, and there's one thing that I could say. The followers of the main channel, they're really fucking happy. Because I don't spam them anymore. But, oh, I haven't checked. Are we fucked? I'm just assuming that he would keep his word. He kept his word. I feel... I'm sorry, I have a meme that is broken in my brain. At least it's Python, so you don't have to care about the build system. True! Rust and Enigma have been advocating for this for a long time. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Okay, let's not get distracted. Alright? No distraction. No distraction. Okay. So let's just create a new file. And let's start copying. So first... this shit needs to go. Do I fucking break it now? And yeah, I don't give a fuck. Okay, give me a second. Give me a second. cast.py. Alright. I don't know what I'm doing. Fuck you. I'm doing it. I didn't say a thing, but I was pondering about making the change and pushing it today without telling you first. Based. No, I have a few things cooked up real bad. Okay, I have a few things that I want to do, and it will require literally purging 3/4 of the code. So we'll get there. I saw a project for C language where the build system is the C language. You basically define all the build stuff in C program, compile it, run it, and build your project. That's kind of like fancy. Alright. Let's delete this shit. Ooh. Wait. Wait. We need this. Not my meme commands. Oh no. Oh no. You didn't saw shit, okay? I'm not joking. You did not see anything. Okay. So let's copy our classes. Good looking printing. Let's not transfer it for now, and we'll see. If anybody in here uses C, check out knob.h. Greetings, Enigmoid! Yeah, all of that AST. What should I check, you say? Perfect timing. Indeed, perfect timing, because we are doing something that you like, which is putting things into other things. Alright, this shit won't work at all, but I'm in. We're going to need a comment remover somewhere. Good looking printing is needed here, but we probably use it elsewhere. Let's take a look. Oh, we don't. Haha, you're getting the fuck out. Well, if we're only using it somewhere here, what the fuck are we doing? Okay, it's at 2 places. It's worth it. Lol. MB being like, when I started, we had some insane GCC. I want to see this fucking shit. I suppose, seeing how I am making a simple factory automation network, seeing how nothing else... Fair? Okay, this shit will be giga fucked, so let's just transfer a bunch of shit and roll with it. Okay. ASD manager. Let's copy all of this. MBWare is talking about when he separated the two C's of silicon. Okay, I'm sorry. The Oli shift meme is still in my mind. It won't go away. It's too good. Holy shift. All right. Okay, so let's put some imports. Whoops. I maybe should have checked a little bit further. Do we have anything else that we need for this? I don't think so. Alright. I'm not wise, just old. Based. That works too. Okay, so let's... Well, ooh, there's a lot of things that we're going to be able to remove. Get out. Alright, let's try to unfuck the colors and all. Okay, we're going to just be lazy with the colors. Alright. I have made all the mistakes. All of them! Not one. Not one is left. Vector register go brrrr. Alright. Mistakes are always good. We need more of them. Alright. A quick question for people that know Python. If I import this, right? If I import the new file, will it also load like the constants? Is it evident that I am more energetic today? Seeing that you send 2 messages per, like, anybody else sending a message? Yes. Absolutely. Or maybe I'm just a retard and I should set this, like, at the very top. Because they're more or less just debug flags. Yes, when you import a module in Python, it is actually executed. So technically, I wouldn't have to, like, set this at the start of the thing. I could just let the fact that we already have it. So that defines all the constant. Okay, I think I got it. Let's just see if there's anything else that is fucked. Emergency shutdown. That's okay. In the order of the important module. Yes, you too. I think we don't use CPUs enough. Okay. Not sure I understood the message for me, but okay, brother. Alright, that part needs to be zooted out and come over here. Let's go back where we were. God damn, that's some fucking message. Path. We need to import path. We need RE. By the way, now Python can actually do real multi-threaded. Well, we actually always could. Just need to use processes. But they remove the lock, I guess. They remove Gil. Where are you, Gil? We lost him. He's dead. Alright, there's some things that I'm unsure how we're going to do, but I'll just run some shit and we'll see. I would have liked it to be like something that could run alone. But who gives a shit? String shortener, are you used anywhere? Because if not, you're getting out. Well, nah, it's not getting out. We're keeping it. We're keeping it. Okay. Enigma could write 5 trillion word a minute. He doesn't give a shit. Alright. How did your import work? I'll see what you did. I'll see what you did. Okay. So. How do we import from a folder? It's okay that you're energetic. Python. From there. I wrote Python, bitch. Whoops, I'm in caps. Okay, we can literally just do like, oh, maybe the other way around. So I could do from, and I could call it parser /cast, and it would import it. And I could do, well, import star, right? That's how we do it. Yes, okay. Nigma be like, I'm locked the fuck in. And I'm all in for it. Okay. Alright, we're gonna have to try to run this to see how bad it feels. So let's go down to Lazy Town. Okay. Let's go. Let's create our little foldy fold called parser. I'll need to make myself a better setup if I want to survive this. And now, let's connect. Okay, I'll SSH the fuck in. Bro. SSH. Okay, function not working, I guess. SSH. Oh, thank you. Why would you autocomplete this? Is it the SSH key that I have? Good enough. Alright, where's the test? Oh, okay. Alright. Invalid syntax. F me. Whoops. I'm in full screen here. Alright. Parser. And I created parser. I'm not a retard. Okay. I ain't. Give me a second. Oh, we need dots, no slash. Right? Is that the idea? Ooh! Okay. So in the other thing, GP ain't defined. Shouldn't we? Story point. Fuck. Alright. I should probably pass along like some kind of pointers to these things. Maybe? Like here, since GP is defined in main, the imported file doesn't know about them. Yeah. Maybe we just need to redo this so that we don't rely on GP and on MF. And, and that we just like tell it where the file is and that it does everything on its side so that it can literally work alone, right? That sounds like a better idea. And same thing with these print things. Or maybe these should be done another way. Like maybe these should be defined whenever we initialize this. And this should really be just initialized on the other side. Oh, maybe that's... Oh, no, that's our issue, right? That's our issue. Change chat to live chat. It's already live. How about we design things so that they work alone? Or if they import something, like they import something that's not like main. So you can have a global pie where these variables are defined and import that module in all other module. Okay, you're already 15 steps ahead. All right. Okay, but that but it's a lot of refactoring. Well, not maybe. Maybe, fuck. Who knows? Alright, you know what? We will make a... Yeah, we will make a global, and that global will have our constant, quote-unquote, our, like, string shortener and these kind of things. The emergency shutdown. I'm a little confused now. Look, let me try something, and if it doesn't do anything for my brain, then I'll kill my... No, okay, I'll do something else at that point, okay? Okay. That's what we call going full retard. Okay, that did not do shit. That's good. That's good. Oh, wait. I fixed it for one, but not for the other, because I need to transfer the other. So I kind of fucked it anyway. Wait a second. I'm a retard. Let me see it fail. Okay, it failed. Yes, I'm doing great. It's been a boring day, but we're doing good still. Let's do a global dot by. That makes sense to me. Keyboard equals evil again tonight. True. Oh, man. All right. So then we could put these things into global. This again. Even though I think it's useless. We're gonna have to do some some checks for this. You know what? Let's get breakpoint in this shit. We need it everywhere. Let's do the import sys. Let's do this too. Does clanker refer to those with actually good keyboard that aren't just... Clankers is the N-word for AI. Yeah, I don't know how to say it any other way. So it still fits me, you fucking clanker. Alright. Nothing better than yelling the N-word, am I right? Okay, enough memes. We're going too close to the sun. Let's go back the fuck down. Also, I am aware. Did he say clanker? Bro. Not really expecting MBE to just be out with the fucking AI slurs out here. MBE just a fucking clanker. Okay. I'm being retarded here. You really love to just not have silly fun, huh? I think anybody who's not autistic can see that I like having a lot of silly fun. But that I'm fucking not about to go unhinge. That's the difference, okay? That's the difference. Alright. Why are you swearing then? Okay, maybe you didn't see, but you said not. You said not. Not is a negative. It's a zero, okay? It's a false statement. One could even say, the most false shit I've ever seen. Alright, so would the idea here to actually like set GP as literal nothingness so it can later be set as something real? Well, it would be none. Yes, be happy. Be happy, order. Okay, so motherfucker. Before the imports. Okay, that sentence makes no sense to me. I'll need help with it. That sounds so retarded. I don't know what it means. Okay, first of all, my first import should be global. Is that what we agree on? Do we forget about what I said? It's okay. I'm so gone. I'm gone. It's all good, Nigma. It's all good. Get that dopamine, brother. No need pie. From global, import everything. Yes. Okay, I agree. Now the only issue is how do I do like path up? Okay, we can do a higher level with a dot before. All right. So this, I would need this, like this. And here I could genocide this. I can see everything in 8K. This is me being unhinged. I'm good. Yeah, this makes sense to me. This makes real good sense. Okay, good looking printing. Do we really use that? Or is this something that we bypass because I did it and it's retarded? I feel like, Oh, no, okay, it's that thing. Okay, that's the thing. The only thing that I did that works. Okay, good. Let's not touch it. Do not touch it. Okay, is there any other thing that we would want to share that doesn't feel Giga implementation specific? No. Thank Lord. Okay. Okay. Alright. Anyway, GP will be dead soon. So, yeah, that's a spoil. So let's get that bitch over here. That bitch over there. The other thing you did works too. After all, you created the whole C preprocessor. We did the C preprocessor. Of course, we got out of the C preprocessor. Why is this funny? All right. It's so retarded. It truly was a fuck it, we're doing it live moment. And it was funny. Okay, why does global.py not work? Global. Global. Go fuck yourself? Is this just the name? Can't name it global. Yeah. Alright. Reserved word. Okay. So we could call it glob. No. Glob. Let's call it GG. No. Global stuff. Yes. I'm in. I'm not even using the keyboard for that one. I'm that disgusting. Are you kidding me? Oh, I wanted the caps. Not found. Duh. Brother. What? Who do you think I am? Whoops. Global stuff. Underscore global. Nah. Okay, we need to stop doing these retarded things where we name things in the worst way possible. It will become an issue. It will. Soon enough, we will be in a world where nothing is understandable. And everyone want to kill themselves. Repair Assembly. Now in theaters. Okay. Let's go! No module named. Parser. Do you need 2 dots, you bitch? How many dots? And also, how many times will I open my settings? Who knows? Attempted relative import beyond top level package. You saw my naming convention yesterday. Yeah, I saw it and I was like, I know. Yes, it was the classical this fucking thing. PHP assembly would be sick. Okay. Why am I even using some fucking folder directory things? Is this the issue? Is it the only issue that I have right now? Is that I want to go clean. I want to make things good. Why am I wasting my fucking time when I know what I want? Okay? I know what the fuck I want. This is still good, okay? This is retarded. The rest is okay. We gotta stop doing stupid fic, and now you have just bricked everything. True. Okay. We've learned a little bit. In the end, one file with all... oh, no. Put everything back. No. The final boss. In an unmitigated 10,000 line, we have the ultimate parser. No, okay? No. So... enough. Let's find the instance of motherfucker and all of its other friends and fix it, right? Fix it. So first of all, okay, where the fuck is AM? Ah, screw me. Where do we use it? proved everyone wrong. You forgot to remove the invisible no with UTF-8 character that you accidentally pasted. That's a fucking landmine that I like so much. The idea that someone was like, it's so good. All right. Why do we even call it like that? Why are we like, why don't we just do this? Boom, boom. And fucking use things like a real man. Like that. And then we add an init. Def. Init. Boom. And in this, do we need that much underscore for it? Or am I like memeing? Oh, yes, we do. Why are the colors different? Are they? They are. I don't like it. Give my colors back, you bitch. Okay. Okay, and let's make it feed. One file. Do you know... You know what I just love? Whenever I watch your code this Python project of yours, the occasional block of just red that triggers my urge to optimize. Fair. Okay. Back to people with actual brains. No. I feel trigger happy today. Where's motherfucker? Okay. So let's get MF path. Oh, we're so sorry. Not we. I'm so retarded. Will this copy the thing? Or will it make a link of the thing? Bro, what are these? Whoa. Holy new line. Dot copy? I don't know in that context. We could just get the... I don't know. What do we what do we need these for? I don't want like these concepts to even be there. mf.getPath. Okay, so that get file. So one is to get the file. Normally, it's just a reference in Python. I don't even want to test it. Okay, so first one is to get the file itself. Second one is to get the path of where the file could be. The other one, path where the file could be. The other one, get the file itself. Am I looping? Get the file itself. Fuck J. Get the file itself. Get the file itself. Get the path along with the files. Okay, fuck it. Look at this shit. MF version. Self.path. Yeah. And GP. I don't know what we use GP for. And this is garbage. Let's call it file name. Okay, what the fuck do we use GP for? Okay, for the version name. Besides. For nothing. So this is retarded. Yeah, it is. Alright, I'm good. Alright, everything is going well. We're all doing some progress. I need to focus. And not skip lines, preferably. Okay. So we don't need the version. I don't think we do. No, we don't. Alright. Okay, fuck GP. Alright. So let's just go fix that side of things. So what we need... Sorry. Okay, MF, where are you? Again, motherfucker. So we need this. What the fuck is going on in my brain? Oh, that's what I want. Okay. So we need this. And the second thing we need is the path of the file that we want to fuck with, which should be arg.test. Or maybe we already have it. Yeah, that's probably it. We already have it. Fucking hell. Okay. You know what? Okay, let's do full file name which should be... It will work. We're having a dumb problem right now. And it will be resolved in a retarded solution way. Yeah, that makes more sense to me. Okay. Let's find all the MFs. Motherfuckers, where are you? So here we are doing a get file and we are splitting the lines. So we are just reading the whole file and doing split line. How about we do it at the very start like real man? Let's do it right here, right now. Full file. Or raw file. Equals. And then we could do whatever the fucking open thing we use for this. So when I get a file, what the F am I actually doing? Where are you, MF? Get file. Okay. So we are doing, if not in file dict, da-da-dee-da-da-do, we do this little thing. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Look at me, Mom. I'm doing it. Am I able to explain anything I'm doing? Nah. Does it work? Yeah. Okay. So here we should be able to do self dot full file name. Let's go on. Here. Oh, fuck, no. No. I was about to F myself. This is mdir. Self.mfdir. Thank you. Let's copy this. And why am I using len like that? That's mentally retarded. Thank you. Next up. Hello, Cardian. How's it going? How is life in your corner of the world? We are breaking everything today. That is very freaking true. Look at this fucking shit. And you know what? At the end of this, you are going to say, Maple, you were right. Nope. Hot as fucking hell, though. You know what? I might not like the cold, but I sure as fuck prefer it to hotness. I'm absolutely Gucci with not being in your position. Okay, so this is useless because we can do self dot full file name. You see, this is what happened when your IQ is room temperature. Okay, do we even use self version anywhere? We don't. Fuck that. If this shit still runs. Oh my. If it still run, it is self.full file name. It is like the second coming, okay? It is the second coming. And why are we even using this shit? Nah. Nah. I don't like it. Nah. Let's use... Is this used anywhere? Okay, it's wrapped. We don't need it. What we need is to transform these into self file path. Whoops, it was full file name, not full file path. Whoops. Oh, so it's file name, not file path. How many things did I fuck up with this? Let's hope that not a lot. Self.raw file. Thank you. Self.file path. File name. Alright, we don't have any more. Do we have any GPs in the room? Do we have any motherfuckers? We still have some motherfuckers. Oh. Oh. Oh, I think we're cooking, guys. Okay. By the way, may I ask something about your early days? You can. So we are at the point where we start fixing, cleaning the code, and end up just deleting 90% of it. You got it, bro. If the Maple release note for the next kernel info, somebody touched all the lines and did not test before making his pull request, so I ban him from the kernel info project. Fucking purge the project. What programming language was your first And if you remember, what did you genuinely create? My first language is Python, and I genuinely created KernelInfo. Not joking. I never did anything of scale. Like, I did C, right? But I'm... Like, what did I do? I did a fucking Pascal triangle. I did some Java. Did some PHP. I did some MySQL. I did a bunch of shit. But something like this? Bro. Nah. This is a first. Never been able to concentrate before, so of course it's a little complicated. Ah, so a disappointment like my own. What? I don't get it. Linus is known to not have patience with people not doing things correctly. Yes, I agree. But he would never have no patience for me, of course. Because I'm right. You fucking losers. Okay. Enough memes, enough memes. Look at this. Look at me copy things over and make this work. First try. Whoops, I did not rename this. Rename global stuff. Copy. Paste. Overwrite. Close file. Bro. Can we get global stuff open again? Kconfig? K, not kconfig. K, develop. Where are you? Thank you. We're back. First try, bitch. First try. Goddamn. We were so close. You need to edit the auto copy. I'll trash the auto copy. I'll do something new. Yeah, I'll do something. I'll do a real setup, but not on stream. Fathers are usually joked about being disappointed in their first son. The projects being the sons. No, of course I've had a bunch of things that I wanted to do when I was younger. They've all been disappointment because I couldn't focus. Okay, what the fuck is this? AST type. AST... Oh, it's because I put an ARG in there. Alright. Alright, my issue was not with this fucking file that I disfigured. It's here. Somehow. Because I forgot to do this. Alright, I'm that close. That close. MF is not where. Ooh! It's the clear all versions that's getting fucked. Ooh. So it's the closing procedure, everything else works. Holy shit. Okay. Oh, okay, that's so good. By the way, I just learned that Python prints out the errors problem. Of course you ate everything that Python stands for. That's normal. You little nigmoid. Alright, I want to change the way that we do things that we delete in our system. But first, I want to fix this, because this is disgusting, okay? So we don't need this. This is dumb. Let's do this instead. Right? Let's do it like that. Everything self-contained. You raw dog this shit. You do self. Dot this. And life is cool. Alright. So this part is done-a-rooney. This part works. That's good. Dot 6UC is temporary RAM shared memory from the source of the kernel. Oh yes, I know what's going on. I know exactly what's going on. Is this because we are calling it from here, right? Because it is here. Then MF doesn't exist. So that's what's fucked. So what I'm going to do is, instead of using MF clear all versions, is we're going to keep a delete array. Okay, we're going to keep a big ass array that we will just purge whenever we don't need it anymore. So this will fix the whole issue, right? Does that sound like a bright thing? Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I can just keep this over the other way. But then I cannot trigger an emergency shutdown from everywhere. Ah, yes, the wall of red. Okay. How could I make it so that global stuff can see things that are created afterwards? Is it just impossible for me to use this? Sounds a bit retarded. You know what? We're overcomplicating this so much. They can, but not from the main module. Okay, let's not go around the bush. Purge list. Obviously. Thank you, Nigma, for making us remember who you are. Obviously. I like to make you noisy sometime, okay? Like speaking. The way to go around is to create a thing in the global module and try them in main. Yeah, that's pretty much where I'm going, but in another way. Look, I'll try something, and if it's retarded, I'll live with it. How do we clear all versions? Okay, so we have a version dict. How about we store that version dict in global? Sounds cool. I need to check something before I go full retard. Okay, retarded move wasn't coming. That's good that I didn't do it. Python is retarded, trying to use global stuff. All object design. I feel like we're, like, overcomplicating so much shit. Fuck it. We'll make it simple, okay? We'll make it simple. Where is this fucking list? Everybody, shut up! I'm doing it! Okay. So this is the retarded way to go. And I'm proud of it. Okay. For dear in directory. Directory in purge list. Try. How do we do accept all? I think it's accept E. Accept E. E. Accept exception. Fair. Okay. Try. Pass. So if it fucks up, we pass. If not, we delete said thing. Clear all versions. Where is clear all versions? Thank you. This. Oh, little cute Ned comment here. Right? Where is Shm util? Here we go. We're doing so good. So good. I want everybody's IQ to be on the table by the end of the stream. Yes, that's the feeling. Oh, fucked. I fucked it. I probably changed one thing somewhere. And now it won't show correctly. What did I change? By mistake. Da-ba-da-ba-da. Can I have an undo list? No. I need to, like, control Z my ass. Okay. I want to see where we go. Okay, we don't even get there. Why was it parsing and is it not parsing now? I forgot my IQ back at home. This is a common problem, my friend. What the fuck did I do? It's printed before. Little bitch. Okay, it's probably here that it fucks up. We're probably not triggering the thing. Okay, this probably ain't it. This is probably where the issue is. Oh, I haven't updated it. I haven't updated it. Oh boy, oh boy. I get it now. Oh, I get it. It's just copying things around, folks. It's copying some things around. Look at this bulging IQ. My neurons are clutching. What the fuck, brother? Woo! It works. A flashback to stream before autocopy. True. Oh boy. Alright, so first of all, we got it working. You know what I remember, Enigma? When MBWare fucking did it. Post-traumatic stress. PT activated. What the fuck is PSPT? Post-traumatic thing. Alright. Sounds fair. Okay, the fact that this shit works is really enjoyable. Because it also means that now this part works standalone. We don't need the rest of the thing to make it work, right? Well, maybe a little bit of variables and a little bit of printy things, but apart from that, it works. So good. All right. Okay, what else did we want to do? Yeah, we wanted to work on that. So we need the code and we need the highlighted part. All right. Let's go. What the fuck are we supposed to do? What am I gonna do? Okay. Let's just change our AST functions Oh man, there's so much work to do on these things if we want them to look cool. Oh shit, you're right. It's getting late. I think I have to go too. We're going to stay just long enough to get that shit. Is it too late to re-implement this in Java? Yeah! Let's make it even slower. Good night, Nigma. Good night. Alright. Let's copy this shit over. So we have global saw. And let's put it into KernelInfo. Oh no, did you install a virus? No, I did not. Parser. CP. Parser. What the fuck's the name? CAST. We send it to... And it's like git add. And we can do git add dot, right? That's a... Is that a thing for lazy people? Oh. I forgot to CP main. CP. Alright. Virus was here all along. True. Thank you. Okay. Why then? Bless you. Oh. But I would suggest that you load up on nutrients. You gotta have ammo before the wave. I'm all good. Okay. Me being sick, that's not an issue. My daughter being sick, I'm dead. That's the thing, right? Being sick is never an issue. when you're big. When you're big. Yes, but make sure you don't have... True! We need more credentials. Let's copy Shadow. Have a good night, good day, good everything. Alright. So we can do git add main git add globo. Fair. Probably need to do parser and the AST. Let's paste the API key and do a push. It's actually how I still do it. Okay. Oh, that's good. Well, we're going to do that, but it will be part of something else. Okay, now the commit message. Okay, we can let's make these like more professional. Stream 45. What the fuck? We're like at 50 something. 57. God. Okay. Creation? No. Secession? No. Okay. Separation of the ASD C AST in a new parser. D and C in a new parser. In the new parser. There. Added global stuff. That's fine. Okay, that looks good to me. We should probably like make some fucking giga professional message for these things. I should have a setup for this to like copy the YouTube video and shit. That would be funny. But let's stay simple. Alright, now it's push origin. Yep. Maple circuit. My very secret password. I won't show you. I won't show you. Where are the keys? It would be pretty good. I'm sorry, each time that I hear key, I just think about the, what's his name? Wait. The keys. Lickman? The keys to the White House. The 13 keys of Alan Lichtman. The keys. If you want to see somebody that had a shitty fucking night, the night of the election, Lichtman is your guy. New feature stuff, fixed, bug, API change, this and that. True. Alright. Delta compression using up to 8 threads. Brother, I got 3 files. Okay. Okay, I think we're cool. Two minutes ago, somebody hacked my Git. No. Somebody hacked my Git. Hey, we're doing great. We're doing some good stuff. Next up, well, we need to finish the kernel video, right? So that will be a thing that we'll do this week. But with the big rework of the SQL that we're going to do, I'll also take the time to dump all of the code that I've put in for the table thing, all of the code that I've put in for, well, the original parser thing. Anyway, there's a bunch of things that needs to go because it's fucking retarded, and most of it is there just because of the bad design that I had. And now we're way smarter. So that's what we're gonna do. But that's all for today. I gotta go have a life. Maybe cook an egg. I bought a shitload of eggs. But I didn't really think about when I would have the time to eat them. I just wanted eggs. So now I'm screwed. I have eggs. MB, do you want eggs? They were really cheap. Plenty egg. I should give one to my daughter. I didn't think about that. Like, there's this experiment about, like, giving it to your kid. The only problem is my daughter is in her phase where she really likes to throw stuff. Like, really like to throw stuff. Like, I'm trying to show her that sometimes some things are funnier to, like, roll and not just throw. And she looks at me and she's like, fuck you. And she throws it. I'm like, bitch, what are you doing? She did a beep as if she was like a fire detector. She just looked at me and did beep. Beep. Oh, that was funny. She will have a brilliant time in the military. True. I must take her right now to the military academy. Valcartier, here I come. Yes, play throw and catch eggs with her. I'll play it, but I'll fucking like. Oh, Scott, what did you do today? Maple, what did you do today? I fucking slung some eggs. Okay, enough of me laughing about being a bad dad. And I'll probably let her play with a few eggs and show her how sad it is whenever we throw an egg. And it just fucking... Anyway. I'll have some fun tomorrow, okay? I'll have some fun tomorrow. But today, I'll make myself an omelet. Cheese omelet? That's true. It's really good, so I'll go with that. Honestly, my dad played that with me and my sister. The risk was increasing the pleasure of the success. Well, I would understand it, but she's too young now, right? That's the issue. Like, at 2, she is not really able to understand instructions that well. Like, she understands, like, store the objects, play with the objects. Dad is frustrated because I'm throwing the objects. And that's about it. So I'll get there, I'll get there. Yeah, at 3 or 4, I'll I'll play that game. I'll sling that fucking egg. Okay, enough dumb shit. We'll see each other tomorrow. But for now. Okay, tomorrow we're gonna do some work again, but for now, bye-bye, okay? Bye-bye. I'll never go away if I don't go. I love you all. Bye-bye.